Be very careful if you need to replace your furnace or your air conditioner or your hot water heater in the near future, because there's a big scam going around. Many homeowners hate the thought of spending thousands of dollars to fix or replace high price items like a furnace or an air conditioner or a hot water heater, especially if you're thinking of moving or if you're a senior thinking of downsizing in the near future. Now, there are some large companies out there, so you think you can trust them, who are falsely advertising a solution for you that's too good to be true. They lure you in by offering to rent you a brand new hot water heater or furnace or air conditioner with full service included. By renting, you can avoid paying thousands of dollars up front. The problem is, back in the day, a true rental meant you could cancel, return, or change the equipment at any time without a penalty. Now, here's the truth about these so-called rental scams. You're not renting at all. When you read the fine print, you're really signing a long-term lease with a massive buyout penalty if and when you sell the home. The massive buyout penalty for this equipment, if and when you sell your home, is often between $10,000 to $15,000 or more. So what they do is they sell you on a no cash up front and a peace of mind concept. But what they don't tell you are the hidden fees, and they call it a rental when it's not. You're actually signing a long-term lease, not a rental. Your monthly payments don't reduce the buyout at the end. In fact, many contracts don't even have a termination date, which every lease should legally have. The buyout is 3 times the retail price of the equipment if you were to have bought it up front. So the dilemma is most buyers of your home, when you go to sell it, will not take over your payments. So you're stuck as a seller paying out the contract at 3 times the cost of what it would have originally cost if you bought the equipment in the beginning. If you need to replace your furnace or your air conditioner or your hot water heater, let me know and I'll tell you how you can avoid being caught in this popular scam. I can also suggest some much better solutions for you. Send me an email and let's arrange a time to chat. Mike@downsizingSeniors.ca. Thanks for watching.